Hello, dear students. This is the first practical of software testing. In this practical, you have to design test cases for purchase order management system based on the system specification. Okay. For purchase order management system, I have not get any open source application, so that's why I have already created a Excel worksheet. Uh, Accordingly, we have creating a test cases for it, and then we are going to perform testing on that application. Okay. So what is the practical significance of this first practical is, so testing is an important aspect of the software testing development life cycle, right? An early start to testing reduce the cost. Okay, so early start to testing reduces the cost, time to rework, and error free software that is delivered to the client. Means if we have started testing the application at the time of initial stage, so it will reduces the cost to fix the bug. Okay, and time to rework, and we'll get the error free software. Okay. So test cases involves the set of steps, conditions, and inputs which we can be used while performing the testing task. This practical is useful to identify the different system specifications such as purchase order management system and design test cases for respective system effectively. So what kind of basic knowledge you need is, so we'll see this in a relevant program outcomes. So first you need a basic knowledge, which we apply the knowledge of the basic mathematics, science, and basic engineering to solve the broad based computer engineering problem. Then second, you need a discipline knowledge, that is used to apply the computer engineering discipline specific knowledge to solve the core computer engineering related problems. Next, experiments and practice. Plan to perform experiments and practices to use the result to solve the broad based computer engineering problems. Next is engineering tools. So, apply relevant computer technologies and tools with an understanding of the limitations. Okay, so you need to have a knowledge of using resources and tools of that particular tool. You have to you have to you are able to use the tools at the time to perform the applications. Okay, so you need the knowledge of the background of that particular resources or that particular tool. Okay, so next one is individual and teamwork. So function effectively as a leader and a team member in a diverse and multidisciplinary teams. Okay, so you need to work as an individual, or you need to perform a task in a team. Okay. Next is communication. So communicate effectively in oral or written form. Okay, and the last one is a lifelong learning. So engage in independent and lifelong learning activities in the context of technological changes in the computer engineering field and allied industries. So what kind of competency and practical skills are developed in you, that we are expecting? By performing this practical, you are able to apply the types and levels of methods of software testing on applications, which includes the identify which include the several tasks, the identifying the system with its specification and get similar with the system. Second, use the different software testing concepts. Next, ability to write system specification of the system. And last one is ability to design test cases for the given system. Okay, so the relevant course outcome is apply various system software testing methods. Okay, so practical outcome, you are already aware about it, the identify the system specification and design test cases for the purchase order management. So what kind of relevant effective domain related outcomes are? So follow ethical practices. Second one is participate in team problem solving activities, and last one is prioritize the time effectively to meet the needs of the team and self. Okay, so you are definitely you are able to do these things, your ethical practices are going to be improved. Then the skill of participating in team is going to be improved, and you are able to prioritize the time effectively. Okay, so we'll proceed further. Actually, what we are going to perform in this practical, let's start with it.